All right, so here you can see kind of my completed drawing. My letter S is right here. It's kind of hard to see. So I'm just going to take you through some of the different techniques that you can use to create this. So I'm going to be using a variety of different things, which you guys will get used to. So I'll use a fine tip Sharpie, a regular Sharpie, and then I will also have just a variety of some black pens that you guys can use as well. So now our goal here is to use all of those different line techniques. You can kind of see I've started this here to create value within our design. There's going to be some areas that might be left white, and there might be some areas that I fill in solid. So just use a variety of techniques and you will see how you can get your letter to stand out and make it look like your design is being made into the letter just by using these different techniques. Notice how when you create line designs, it's important to go in this shape, or whatever drawing technique you're using. It's important to go with the shape of the object you're doing, just like I'm doing in the petals here. I'm not going the opposite way like that, but I'm going in with the shape. Another thing to note, if you see my monkey's hand here is hanging on to this S as if it is part of the vine, okay? So it's probably not a good idea to use the same kind of cross hatching right here. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to tell the difference. So, well, anyway, I'm going to be leaving this blank, but that just gives you an example. Like, for instance, I probably don't want to do a whole lot of cross hatching behind on this leaf here. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard to tell the difference between my monkey and the leaf. It's also okay to go in and instead of just doing small lines, you can go in and actually make some of those lines a little bit thicker if I'm doing, because these would count as some hatching lines, okay? So go in and just make a little bit of variety to make some things stand out more. start to get more of it filled in, make sure that your letter, symbol, or number is really standing out. So as I've progressed here, you've been able to tell that you can see my S a little bit more. If you aren't sure if you can see it very well, go ahead and take an eraser and just erase the entire image. That will help you figure out if there's any areas that you missed outlining or any areas that you didn't add value texture to it. And then it will go ahead and make sure that that letter stands out even more than it does.